I really hope we catch that thing. Whoa! Oh my gosh! On the move. Try and catch one over here. We're at the small pond. There's 2 ponds over here. Frog just jumped in. Right. Did you get one? Work this Senko around a little bit.
So what do I do there?
Scout. Here, try to take it like
This one?
yeah. Just keep trying to move.
Wow.
Oh, get it?
Yes!
Oh.
Well, I just think this pond's mid.
What about you?
There's supposed to be big fish here, and
Clearly not.
clearly not. We didn't catch nothing.
What are you thinking?
What do you think, Parker?
You know, me and Chase got bites to start off the rip, and
He might have got some bites. I didn't bite them though.
we all got bites. Oh, I got one. No, damn it!
Did it dip?
Yes.
The Scout's actually chill over there.
Got one. Yes!
Get it?
Yep. Let's go. We'll take it. Got him. Real. Yes, sir.
Let's go.
That's a bass. You have to kiss your catch. Yeah.
Where?
I'm just kidding. That's your first bass in your life, ain't it?
Yeah, man.
You do the honors. Here. Kiss him.
Actually?
Yes.
Where?
On top of the head.
What?
Dude, here. Do you even get him off the hook for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Will those, like, cut you?
No. You can, okay, so largemouth, you can grab him by the lip.
Wait, you want to get my picture with it?
With what?
Like holding the lip?
On the GoPro? Got it right there. I promise you it won't hurt. It just feels like sandpaper. Christian with his bass. Give it a kiss. First bass of his life. Get a release on him. Hey, Christian got his bass. I'm proud of him. Oh, no, that was a monster, bro. That was a monster.
How big?
Freaking huge, bro. Oh my gosh. Look at a Senko. Oh my. He took my Senko.
Nuh-uh.
Yes. Holy crap. I really hope we catch that thing. Bro. Oh my gosh. Holy.
Do like that. Like how I do it. Here.
All right.
Show the camera.
Yeah, that's a monster.
We gotta give us some water in a minute.
Yeah, it's gonna die.
Alright. Huh. Leaning
That's
over,
half my leg.
leaving her over your leg a little bit.
That's up half my leg.
Alright, give us some water and then we'll get more pictures.
Alright.
Scout stay.
That's at least like a 4-pounder.
Yes, bro. Get a good release on that thing.
Get
Go
a
on.
video of that, like all of it.
It survived. It's good. There he goes.
We
That's
just got a 3-bit card, baby.
Yes.
Let's go!
My man. It's a little dink. Caught another little fish. Take him. Number 3 of the day. Dang, I keep hooking him inside the mouth pretty good. This little baby boy. He'll grow up. That's not even a pound. Maybe 28 ounces. Get a little release on this guy. There you go. Alright, I'm moving. Oh, there. Hey, there's my Senko that one bass took. Right there. I'm gonna get it that way. If this don't come up and get it, eat it, choke on it and die. That'd be good. Yeah. I grabbed it that way, one don't eat it and die. Oh, I have one. The heck? I was just reeling.
What are you casting?
Huh?
What are you casting?
Senko. Yeah. I'd say this one's about a pound. Little dink, we'll take him though. Fish is a fish. You look right there, you can see there's a big clam. And there's nests everywhere. I'm not sure if that's, I think it's a bluegill. I'm not sure though. This one's died down for sure since we first got here. I think I've caught, I don't know, 4 or 5. Oh shoot. Get him, get him, get him. Yes sir. Reel that puppy up. Good fish. Alright, let's see you take it off the hook now.
I'm not doing that. Wait, is this a bluegill?
Yeah.
Do I have to slide down?
Yeah. Remember started its head and slide down. Oh, that could have been bad.
What?
Credit card about fell in the water.
Alright, you want to know where it's at?
Oh. Stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Stay on. Yes. Hey, that's a pretty good one. It's not a bad size bass. I'll take it.
Is she like belly?
Belly rub?
Yeah.
Sure, try it.
Oh my. Scout, look at her. Alrighty, that'll wrap it up for the pond. We're probably gonna go get something to eat at his house or something, and then we're gonna go to the Brush Creek. Huh? Turtle? Yeah. Is it big?
Is that a turtle right there?
Yeah, it is.
Where?
Don't that look like a turtle?
That's a little snapper.
Looks like.
I don't think you can even see.
Might be moss.
Zoom in.
It don't zoom that far. We're walking down the river. Or not the river, Brush Creek, and we're gonna try to catch something, so yep, stay tuned. Show them how it's done. If we're doing all this and we don't catch any fish here. Oh crap. There you go. Made it down the side of Brush Creek. It's a lot lower. Last time you couldn't even get down here. We had to stand literally, I don't even, like up in them rocks. It wasn't as thick, but hopefully we can catch some because it's looking good. Do some here, rock. All right, I'm gonna start off right here. Start off right here. See if we can't catch anything. Yeah, we've been fishing this spot for how long you think? 2 hours? And we saw so many gar and carp. I think they were sheephead. And we tried and tried, but I mean, all 3 of us got bites. Like, we saw them eat them. There's a gar right there, but they didn't take it, so we're just probably gonna head out soon. But yeah. Hey guys, it's Parker from 3P Outdoors, and I'm here with Chase and Christian. And we started out at 2 ponds earlier, and then caught some fish. We did pretty good, and worked our way to Brush Creek, and we didn't do too good, but we still have some good content here. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.